Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why your TransUnion credit score might be different from Experian and Equifax. It's a common misconception that you have a single credit score. In reality, you have many. Your credit scores can vary for a few key reasons. First, lenders don't report your credit activity to all three bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, at the same time. Some might report to only one or two, and they all have different schedules for when they update your information. This means the data in your reports can be slightly different from one bureau to the next, which leads to different scores. Second, the credit bureaus and credit scoring companies use different scoring models. The two most common are FICO and VantageScore. Not only are there different models, but each model has multiple versions. Each version weighs factors like your payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history slightly differently. For example, one model might give more importance to how much of your available credit you're using, while another might focus more on your payment history. Finally, each bureau has its own unique scoring range. For example, a good score with one bureau might be a different number than a good score with another. So, a score of 700 on one bureau might be considered excellent, while on another, it might be just good, and on a third, it could even be considered poor. In short, the main reasons for score differences are that each bureau has different information, different scoring models are used, and each model has its own unique scoring range. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.